Mega FM dispute, summary timeline and ownership analysis. First, timeline of key events. In 1997 to 2002, the question. 1997, Acholi diaspora at the Madrid conference in the UK request a radio station to communicate to LRA rebels. 2002, Mega FM is established with 800,000 pounds, that's shillings 3.2 billion from DFID UK government. Registered by Jennifer Gales on February 27, 2002. Purpose, peace building and community communication. In 2006, placed under UBC. Information Minister James Nsaba Batoro signed statutory instrument number 18 of 2006, placing Mega FM under Uganda Broadcasting Corporation, that's UBC. Some Acholi leaders protest, insisting the radio belongs to the community. 2011-2023, Atek's management era. 2011, Mrs. Irene Jovia Atek becomes station manager. Before October 2023, Atek and Associates register Mega FM as a company limited by guarantee, raising legal questions. October 2023, deregistration and re-registration. October 2nd, 2023, original registrant Jennifer Gales deregisters the old Mega FM company. October 31st, 2023, Atek and our team re-register Mega FM as Mega FM Limited by guarantee. February, April 2024, suspension and investigation. UBC suspends Atek over allegations of forgery, abuse of office, and financial misconduct. Police and IGG begin investigating. ICT Minister Dr. Chris Bermunsi orders Atek to vacate office and hand over. Mid-late 2024, escalation. Atek refuses to vacate, allegedly changes locks, tells staff the radio is not government property. November 5th, 2024, at least 17 staff are fired. Station briefly goes off air amid confrontation. Government teams attempt to defuse the crisis. Unsuccessful. Case proceeds to court. Who originally owned Mega FM? Based on the facts, the funding, British government, that's DFID, provided all capital. Initiative, Acholi diaspora and community leaders sparked the plan. Registration, done by Jennifer Gales, not UBC, in 2002. Control transfer. In 2006, legal authority was moved to UBC through a statutory instrument. Therefore, Mega FM had a community-driven origin but was legally placed under UBC in 2006. Who could be right and why? UBC's possible legitimacy. UBC may be legally correct because a statutory instrument, a legal tool with force of law, placed Mega FM under UBC in 2006. UBC has managed and funded the station for nearly 2 decades. They accuse Atek of unauthorized registration, possibly outside our mandate. UBC's position is strongest on legal grounds. Atek and Acholi community's possible legitimacy. Atek and our supporters may be morally or historically correct because the station was created for the Acholi community and funded externally, not by UBC. The original ownership concept was community-based, suggested by its name, Mega Luo for mine. Some Acholi leaders still view UBC's 2006 takeover as imposed. Their argument is strongest on community and historical grounds. Who could be wrong and why? Potential issues with Atek's side. Re-registering Mega FM twice without clear authorization may be illegal. Allegations include forgery, abuse of office, financial mismanagement, and altering laws to retain control. Our refusal to hand over after a ministerial directive weakens our case. Potential issues with UBC's side. UBC may have neglected community consultations since 2006. The takeover, although legal, could be viewed as dismissive of Acholi ownership sentiment. Firing 17 staff and sudden forceful interventions may appear heavy-handed. Conclusion: who is likely to win? Legally, UBC has the stronger hand due to the 2006 statutory instrument. Morally and historically, Acholi community and Atek side have stronger sentimental and foundational claims. Overall, courts are likely to favor UBC unless they rule that the 2006 transfer was improper or that Mega FM was intended to be a community trust. Now, what changes if Kwara Acholi joins the court battle? The case stops being Atek versus UBC and becomes Acholi community versus government. Right now, the case is framed as UBC legal honor versus Atek and associates challenging registration. If Kwara Acholi steps in with an official claim, the case transforms into a heritage dispute involving community ownership, culture, and historical rights. That alone elevates the case to national level attention. Kwara Acholi gives the Acholi claim legitimacy, not just emotion. Before KKA joins, the Acholi community's claim is moral and historical, not legal. Courts prioritize legal documents and UBC as the 2006 statutory instrument. After KKA joins, the claim becomes collective, representing the entire Acholi cultural institution. Kwara can argue Mega FM was funded for Acholi, created on Acholi soil, intended as a peace-building tool for Acholi rebels, named in Luo Mega, not Mega meaning mine. Courts do take cultural trust seriously, especially if they were funded for a community purpose. They were not meant for government takeover. This gives Atek's side a much stronger legal backbone. Kwara can demand a review of the 2006 statutory instrument. The 2006 document is UBC's strongest legal weapon. But if Kwara joins, they can argue the Acholi community was never consulted. The takeover violated the purpose of the DFID grant. The government appropriated a community asset. Mega FM should have been placed under a community trust, not UBC. Now, courts could then review the instrument, amend it, or declare it invalid on procedural grounds. This is the most powerful legal threat to UBC. Political pressure on UBC increases immediately. Kwara Acholi is a cultural institution, a political influencer, though sleeping, a guardian of Acholi identity, although sleeping. If it publicly declares Mega FM as Acholi property, unjustly taken, the matter becomes a cultural rights case, not a management dispute. No government wants to appear as confiscating community property, disrespecting cultural identity, silencing northern voices. Political pressure may push the government toward mediation, shared ownership, or withdrawing certain claims. Now, Kwara Acholi could ask the court for a community trust model. They could request Mega FM be placed under a community trust, a joint management board, a public community hybrid. Courts often prefer middle ground solutions when culture, history, and public institutions collide. This strengthens the Acholi side significantly. Who benefits most if KKA joins? Atek's position improves sharply. She stops being viewed as a rogue manager, someone accused of forgery, a person fighting UBC alone, and becomes a representative of a brother Acholi came. Acholi community gains a voice in court. They can demand transparency, financial audits, shared governance, restoration of the original purpose of Mega FM straight away. UBC becomes the defensive side. forced to justify why it took over the station, how it has used its authority, its dismissal and forceful intervention, including firing 17 staff. Could the Acholi community actually win the case? Answer is yes, but not fully. Here is the honest legal likelihood. Most likely outcome: court orders joint ownership or management between UBC and Acholi community. UBC retains legal oversight but shares governance. A new board is formed, including UBC representatives, Kekwaro, elders, peace building groups, community representatives. Now, there is also a moderately possible outcome. The court declares that the 2 and 6 statutory instrument violated the purpose of the radio's creation. Mega FM becomes a community trust under Kekwaro. Least likely outcome: full ownership is handed to Kekwaro, requires proving the government acted unlawfully in 2 and 6, which is almost impossible. Atek personally gains ownership. That's also 99% impossible. Courts will never award a public community asset to an individual. Who could be right if KKA joins? Acholi community, strengthened by Kekwaro. Right morally and historically. Possibly right legally if court prioritize original intent and community benefit. UBC still right legally, but morally weaker. Perceived as having taken over a community project without consent. Final insight: Kekwaro joining the case changes everything. Without Kekwaro, Atek is weak. UBC dominates legally. With Kekwaro, Atek is shielded. UBC is challenged. The dispute becomes Acholi culture versus government ownership. Courts are forced to consider history, culture, peace building purpose, and community rights. Now, does Atek and associates mean they hijacked the station instead of acting for the Acholi community? Possibly yes. When a law firm, in this case Atek and associates, appears in court documents as the legal applicant, it means they are acting for a client, not the Acholi community, unless that community formally instructed them. Right now, there is no public proof that Kekwaro Acholi officially hired Atek and associates. There is no public proof that the wider Acholi community chose them either. What appears is a law firm and a small group of individuals claiming ownership or authority over Mega FM. Why this raises suspicion? Mega FM was originally established by DFID, UK government, and handed over to UCC or OTP for public broadcasting, not to private individuals. Anyone claiming to own Mega FM privately must show legal transfer documents. None have been publicly provided yet. If only a small group uses a law firm to claim control without community mandate, actually people may see it as a hijack attempt. But we must be fair. Could they still be legitimate somehow? Yes, if Atek, an associate, is representing a registered board of trustees of Mega FM, an official managing body that has been silent until recently, or legal beneficiaries named when the station transitioned from donor to government community support. However, there is no evidence yet that they represent such bodies. So, what does it likely mean? Atek and associates represents a private faction, not the Acholi community. Unless proven otherwise, this is why many say the takeover looks like a forceful claim, a power struggle, or even an attempted privatization or capture of a community asset. If Kekwaro and Acholi community join the legal battle, then the situation becomes clear very quickly. Kekwaro can demand the founding documents and the handover agreements. They can challenge any illegal takeover and the cultural and community custodian rights. This would put whoever is using Atek and associates in a very defensive position, because they would have to prove they are not misusing the Acholi name. The bottom line, if Atek and associate was acting for all Acholi people, we would have seen a public statement from Kekwaro, a community resolution, a broadcasting council backed leadership structure. None of that exists. Also, yes, it leans more towards a hijack attempt than a community mandate until evidence shows otherwise. A company limited by guarantee does not automatically mean private individuals on it. It depends on who the guarantors are. Here is the clear breakdown. What limited by guarantee means. A company limited by guarantee is a type of legal entity often used for NGOs, community organizations, foundations, clubs, schools. Media house is meant for public service, etc. Those are just examples. It does not have shareholders. Instead, it has guarantors, people or institutions who agree to pay a small amount if the company is owned up or owned up. Two possible forms: community or non-profit model. If the guarantors are Acholi, district local governments, cultural institutions, community representatives, NGOs, public trustees. So, in this case, if the company of those of Atek and associates are owned up, who will pay those small amount of money? Ask yourself. Then the company belongs to the community, not private people. That's another side. This is how many community radios are set up. Private faction model. If the guarantors are Atek and associates, that's law firm individuals, a small group of business people, politicians acting privately, family members or friends, then the company becomes effectively private, even though it is limited by guarantee. This is where hijacking can occur, and this is what is appearing. Create a company, register it as a community base, then insert your own people as guarantors. Why limited by guarantee raises questions in the case of Mega FM. If the new company claiming ownership of Mega FM is registered by individuals without Kekwar, without district leadership, without the Acholi community endorsement of those of Atek, without the original founders, then it looks like a private takeover in the name of a community organization. This is exactly what many people suspect. A small group created a limited by guarantee, those of Atek, company to look community based, but the real control is in private hands. So, does limited by guarantee mean private people? No. But it can become private if the guarantors are private individuals instead of community institutions. That's all. That's all. I hope I have not wasted your time. Thank you very much.